everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's the winter season and it's time to take care of our skin and our hair. So I'm going to talk to you about some of the products you need this winter to take care of your skin, your face, your hair and your body. So I'm going to first start with the face products. So the first product I'm going to talk about is a lip balm. So I'm using the Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula with SPF 15. So you can use any lip balm, but it's very important to have a really good hydrating lip balm. This one smells really nice. I've been using this since a while now. So this is my first product. A lip balm is very necessary during winters because the winters take the moisture away. The second product is the Gulabari Rose Water. So I have stopped using toner because I have heard that it's more nice to use rose water. So I'm giving this a test and it's been 2-3 months I've been using this and I see a good difference. I don't see the necessity of using toner, but maybe once this is over, maybe I'll switch to a toner, but I will still keep using rose water. So if you're somebody who uses a toner, go ahead, see that you use a toner. And if you're somebody who uses rose water instead of toner, you can do this. And once you're done with the toner, you use a serum. Now, I am totally out of serum. I have ordered it and it hasn't reached me yet. I'm hoping for it to reach, but we cannot do without a serum. Serum is very important for your skin. So this is how it goes. Use a cream, a toner or rose water and then serum. So once I'm done with the serum, I am happy and good to go for morning. But for the night, I will be using this, the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Skin Therapy Formula Oil. So this is what I use. So y'all can use this. This is a very good vitamin E oil. Or you can just use the moisturizing cream and add oil to it with all the remaining other ingredients and remaining other products. So if you're somebody who's using retinol or AHA, BHA, then you know the cycle of how to use it on your face. So let's move on to the body. So when it comes to body, I'm just going to keep it very simple. I have many different creams, but I'm showing you the most simplest one of all. The Vaseline Intensive Care Deep Restore. So this is something for dry skin. And during winters, everyone ends up having dry skin on their body. There's patchy elbows, patchy knees, patchy feet, patchy ankles. A lot of patchy. So this is something you guys can go for. This is cheap and affordable. This is 200 ml bottle. But I cannot see how much this costs. So you can use this one. And also you can carry something like this in your bag. Also, when I say carry something, don't forget, always carry a lip balm. It's very important. So this one's hand food from Soap and Glory. So I have been using this in my bag. I have this one, then I have a couple of smalls from Bath and Body Works as well. This really helps, you know, to keep the patchy elbows away, because during winter this smells nice. This smells something like sweet lime. During winter, you know, you get a lot of patchy elbows and that ain't pretty at all. Nobody wants to see patchy elbows and dry elbows and dark elbows, especially girls like us, like the brown skin or more tan skin color. Everything gets patchy. It looks bad. So we need to stop looking bad during winters and give such mini creams a shot. And then I have another product called the Patchouli Mask by Biocorporel. I don't know which language that is, but my friend got this for us. And yeah, this is made in Australia. It has a lot of good products. It says the ingredients is love and palm kernel oil, coconut oil, almond oil, beeswax. There's a lot of sheep butter and a lot of butter. There's too much of love in this product. So I'm going to just open this quick and show you. This is body butter. If you're somebody with extremely dry skin, you can use this on your face as well, but I would not recommend that. But if it works for you, then great. I haven't used this on my face, but I have very dry skin, but I'm not going to try this because I think it could get oily. This is very good for the body. I've already used, you can see, so I have just started using this. I think it's been a week now. This smells amazing. So this is a very soft cream. You can see it just melts into your skin. It just melts into your skin. You just feel nice. The skin feels so supple. You just don't feel dry anymore. So after shower, as soon as you're done wiping yourself, use this product or use any other body butter. This will go really well for nighttime use as well for your feet, and then you wear your socks. So that's a really good thing. So now coming to your hair. So since I've done with body, now let's do hair. And for the hair, the first thing I would tell you is the Rush Hour. So this is the dry shampoo, and you can use any dry shampoo. During winters, it's really difficult to wash your hair every now and then just to make it look nicer. So you can just go ahead with a dry shampoo. And when it comes to shampooing your hair, I have two options. These are the two I like using during winters and during summers as well. But this one, the Herbal Essence Bio Renew Repair Argan Oil of Morocco. This shampoo and conditioner is something I've been using since a year now. This works really well during winters as well. So your hair does not get oily very fast, and it does not pull out the moisture from your hair. So you can use this one with its conditioner. I don't have the conditioner here. It's in my bathroom and I'm too lazy to go there. And you can use the Seri Expert Glycerol Cocoa Oil Nutrifier Shampoo from L'Oreal. So this is another one. So this costs this is 300 ml and this costs 635. This is 400 ml. This is available on Nykaa. I think there's a discount still going on. So you buy the shampoo and conditioner for 600 bucks or something like that. But it's really good. This one and this one are two real good products. This one is already with oil. So if you're somebody who loses out a lot of texture and moisture from your hair, so this one's a good deal for you. Use it with its conditioner. Most of the shampoos come with a conditioner, so it's nice if you use it with the conditioner itself. But if you have your own favorite conditioner, you can go ahead and pick that up and use it. So I hope you guys like my video. Do share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell and show me some love.